So Dow futures soar over 800 points after Gilead Sciences coronavirus drug reports to be effective. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day, and if maybe you checked your portfolio, you might be up after hours as everything is currently up right now. One of the stocks that I added to my watch list is Gilead Sciences. That is ticker symbol GILD. One of the things that I want to make sure I disclose is just because I'm adding it to my watch list does not mean that I'm investing in it and does not mean that I'm trading it, as you shouldn't either. I do want to remind you that a lot of attention is going to be in Gilead Sciences, as not only did it close at $76.54, but during the aftermarket trading session, it hit highs of $89.47. That's over 17% growth from where it closed at after market close to where it closed at after market trading session or during extended hours. Altogether, there is no question that there's going to be a lot of attention on Gilead Sciences. And of course, with a lot of demand for a specific stock, it only makes sense that the price is going to go up. But again, like we've shared so many times before on this YouTube channel, with great volatility comes great responsibility. And you just want to make sure that you don't put yourself in an unfortunate trade or investment decision just jumping into the hype. So make sure that before you buy it, you have a plan in your entry, exit, and stop loss, ensuring that you're doing your part as a trader or as an investor to manage that risk. Now, what I want to talk about is that Gilead Sciences reported that after its trials in Chicago, again, this is not controlled trials. That's going to be their next phase. They set up two different trials with those that were extremely ill with the coronavirus and those that were not as ill. Overall, doctors reported a 68% recovery rate within just a week. So this is huge news, especially after such an unfortunate pullback that the market has experienced. You know, the United States, as I'm sure the entire world, has just been in need of some form of vaccine. So there's no question that this is one step moving forward. But again, Gilead Sciences still has a lot to prove, especially during its controlled trials. And with that in mind, the reason that I wanted to talk about Gilead Sciences is because we've been in such need of a vaccine. There is no question that a lot of people are going to be watching and investing their money in Gilead Sciences, as it is one of the only companies that has shown an effective vaccine. And not only is it positive news for Gilead Sciences and its overall stock price, but altogether, as again the Trump administration talks about reopening its borders, it's really exciting to hear that we are at least one step closer of obtaining a potential vaccine for this unfortunate coronavirus. This is definitely something that we're going to be talking about in our Learn Plan Profit live trading session. So make sure that if you guys are part of our Learn Plan Profit group, that you guys set your alarms for market open, because we're set for a very exciting day. Again, I do want to remind you that, again, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. So make sure that, again, you don't put yourself in any unfortunate trade or investment opportunity if it's not worth the risk, or maybe you are not prepared for it. Altogether, if you guys are excited for getting one step closer to potentially having a vaccine for this unfortunate coronavirus, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to stay connected. We are the largest YouTube channel and the largest Facebook group in the world for those who invest in the stock market. And again, make sure you click that first link down below to stay connected and join our free Facebook group. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on those post notifications to get alerted when it is that I go live. And if you're not already part of the Learn Plan Profit group, click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about it. You can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, because again, we're set for a very exciting day. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.